Today I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Access queries. It's gonna be really easy. I'm going to teach you a few other things too. So let's get started. You might need to install Microsoft Office in order to get access. I have it here. It has this A logo. Just click it. I'll start. Okay, we got this, and I have already made a database for myself because I'm just gonna teach you guys how to make this. Just enable content. Double click. Okay, for most of you guys who know Access already know how to make this simple database. I'm going to show you how to make this in the next video, like how to make a database in the next video. So actually for this little flower, it's not supposed to be there. I'm just gonna delete this row. Also you're gonna learn how to delete record. That's why I entered this over here exactly in the middle. Almost exactly in the middle. To delete a record in a table, like this whole thing is a table. This whole thing is a table. So just to delete it, go over here, like select this record which you want to delete, like this, by clicking on this little gray box, and just right click on your mouse, or if your main button is the right one, then left click. So just right click over here and just delete the record. Okay, now this will come like confirmation. If you click yes, you won't be able to undo this delete operation. Are you sure you want to delete these records? Just click yes. And you're all done. Now I'm going to show you how to make a query. When I say query, I mean like if you have a lot of data, like this, I have a lot of data, and I wanna find some specific things that, like, if I search in the query that one of the best sellers, I write yes, so it will find me all the best sellers. So if the data is even bigger than this, it can be bigger than this. There's a big possibility. So if it's bigger, we'll have to count it again, and we can lose our count. So we use query, so we can easily find the number of people and count them. So just go to create, and over here query design. Just click it, and if you have more than one table, obviously it'll ask you which tables you wanna add. Just add them, or double click on the name. Will come. Now I can say bye bye to this. Let's try to just make it a bit larger. There we go. Over here, this is like the main part. You have to enter the field names, for which you need to say yes or no, or like whatever. So newcomer, like one of the best sellers. So if you write here yes, and just click here run, or here on run, it will find all the flowers that are best sellers, like the flowers, like, because we are having, like, as if you're running a flower shop, you would probably use this. So one of the best sellers. So best seller meaning like you sell them, and you sell these flowers, and they're like the best ones, they're bought most. Okay, over here we have these flowers that are best sellers, and they're also available, all of them. Okay, now if you want to go back and undo this query, there's no possibility for that. So if you want to do another query, just go to create and query design. Over here you can see the queries are coming. Now over here we're just gonna do a few fields in which it won't take that much long. So we just need to see newcomer, bestsellers, and available. And don't forget the flowers. Now newcomers, like over here right now, one of the bestsellers, yes. Available, yes. And the flowers, you're not gonna write anything because obviously we have mentioned only one name of flower, so we'll just see which flowers are coming. Here, as I said, click run, which means it'll find it. Takes a little time. None of them are newcomers. They all are bestsellers, and they all are available. And the flower names are rose, cherry blossom, Arabian jasmine, jasmine, bluebells, lotus, iris, and lavender. Now, let's make another quick query. Query 3, like this is our third query. Now, again, available, like flowers, available, newcomer, and other bestsellers. I had these, but I'm going to show you in my next video. I'm going to show you how to make another kind of like database record, like not having anything related to flowers. It might, but it might also not. So in criteria, of flowers, don't write anything. Just write available, yes. Newcomer, yes. One of the bestsellers, yes. So everything will be yes. Then again, run. And only these 4 lucky flowers. They're new to this shop. They're the best sellers, and they're also available. And actually, chrysanthemum is actually a real flower. Just try finding it on the internet. Okay, so when you're done, just go back to home, like over here on the flowers table. And there are lots of other things that inshallah I might be like helping you learn in my next videos. But till next time, like to my next video, bye, or Allah Hafiz.